Alright, I want to show everybody this, because I doubt this was actually covered before. It may have been, but I haven't seen it. So here's the carburetor from the Toro that I'm working on, and the needle was frozen into there, and it was like rust bits. And this is a plastic carburetor, and it's still rusted into there, because this is a vent tube right here. So whatever rainwater or whatever got into that hole, or moisture, and it rusted up that needle up into that plastic hole. I can't get it out. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it out without destroying the carburetor. So anyway, that's that. Here's the carburetor from that other engine, the one that I showed you guys that had the sump off the bottom of it already. Okay, that engine was a primer engine. This is autochoke, the autochoke system, right? The other one had a primer, so it didn't have this extra mechanism. That engine, so this carburetor, right, had this plastic cap right here on this, right here, where this mechanism is, right? And for where that piece goes in, there was this cap right there, okay? So you're able to remove them, and then you're able to turn this into an auto choke carburetor. And I have better hopes for this one than the other one. So all I got to do now is take these pieces and swap them onto this carburetor, and it'll work. But I am going to open this one and make sure it's clean first before I go doing that. But I got lucky. Otherwise, I would have also had to order a carburetor. I don't know how much these stupid, crappy plastic carburetors are, but I would have had to order a carburetor. Now I don't think I'm going to have to. But it was in horrible shape. I can't believe it. Like, that thing, I think that's a check ball. That's got rust on it. That's not good. There was rust in the bottom of the bowl. Where'd the rust come from? I don't know exactly, because it's a plastic carburetor. I'm gonna open this one up, make sure it's clean. If not, clean it, and then I'm swapping these pieces over to that one, and I've got a carburetor. Like I said, I don't know how much they are. If I had to order one, I would have, but now it doesn't look like I'm gonna have to. They're probably not that expensive. I'm just really shocked to see this. I've seen this on regular carburetors, the metal carburetors. That happens once in a while, not very often. You get one really bad, but a plastic carburetor that's 4 years old, unbelievable. So, all right, I'm gonna open this one up, clean it, and we'll get it together. I'll show what it looks like inside of this one. It might have to be cleaned. Let's see. Maybe it's already ready to go. That would be nice. It's only a little bit of dirt on the outside. And then after that, I can put it back on the engine and see if it'll run. Well, if it's successfully cleaned, it should run fine. Unless it's jetted differently. I doubt it, though. I don't know. We'll see. I cleaned as much of the dirt off the outside of it as I could first before opening it. It's always a good idea. Otherwise, you're just going to let contaminants get in there. So, I'm about to crack it right now. Just put a slotted screwdriver right there and twist, and it'll pop right off. It's not horrible. Definitely not as bad as the other one was. But I am going to go ahead and give it a cleaning. Like, that jet is open. The other one, it was completely clogged up with crap. The check ball looks clean, so this is a good sign. As long as it's the, like I said, the correct jetting and not for like a smaller horsepower or anything like that, we should be good. That also pops right out. Okay. Needle doesn't look horrible. or the seat. One more piece pops out, and that's it. That's all that's to it. Tecumseh made a plastic carburetor too. It was the oh, there's a special name for that one. What the heck was it called? When I think of it, it'll come to me. But yeah, it was an eco-friendly carburetor. It was a little bit different. I think it was a better design, honestly, than this, but they had one. It was called the Vector carburetor. Tecumseh's Vector. They were on some of the push mowers. In fact, come to think of it, right there, that engine right there has the Vector carburetor. You can't see it though, that thing's buried right now. It's hard to hit pause.